So I've been trying to figure out more drinks to make with bake sale. But bake sale is such a unique alcohol. You can do more than just make drinks. Let's make some boozy pancakes. What? Let's go with a cup of our pancake mix. Half cup of milk. Our egg. A little bit of powdered sugar. Oh, not that much. But hey, you know what? Sweet pancakes. And whisk it. Just whisk it up. You gotta go chocolate chips. It's bake sale. You have to. Absolutely. Oh, you can taste the cookies. Holy crap. Guys, you have So go pick up your bake sale cookie liqueur right now at cwspirits.com. Make those awesome bad boys. And thank me later. Use discount code CHEF89. You're going to get really great prices on already great prices. And in the meantime, as always, stay slippery, chickens.